Okay, so for the quiz one, the first question they are going to ask is this one. Just leave other one, this one. From here, the 2 marks question is coming. Okay, 2 marks is coming. 2 question is coming. One question will be calculating this one. I hope you understand this thing, right? How to calculate this one. This is going to be given and then they will say there what is the value of these things. Is it okay? Students, is
Yes,
it
miss.
okay? Yes.
Just complete.
Another question is this one. So this is the, if you study this one, you will get the 2 marks. Okay. So one question will be this one, 1 marks. Of course, this is the number will be changed. And then and here, one question will be 1 marks. The number will be changed. Okay. So again, let me explain again. Okay. For this type of the question, you have to go for the only 3 steps. Okay, the first one is the check whether there is a this parenthesis. This is called the parenthesis here. Whether you have a bracket or not. Okay, so if there is a bracket, you must solve this bracket first. Then after that, go for the divide and multiply. Divide and multiply. Whether you solve the divide first, then after the multiply. Then after that, the last one is a plus and minus. Like this, plus and minus. So you have only 3 steps here. Other things are here, many things, but we not go for this detail. So only we have a 3, check this one first, then after that, go for. Sometimes some of the equation, you don't have this first step. Okay, so if there is no first step, you go to the second step. Okay, so like I explained, okay, before. So do you understand this question? Because I hope everybody will understand. This is coming and the quiz, midterm, final, the same thing, because it is very easy to get the marks. Is it okay, students?
Yes, miss.
Okay, I
Clear.
hope everybody understand this. Okay, so but if you want me to explain again and this equation, okay, when you check this equation, there is the parenthesis here. Okay, there is a parenthesis here because I don't want to go for the detail about this because I want to go for more detail and the other things. Okay, so and here you solve this one first. You solve this one first. This one first. You solve this one first. Okay, after solving this one, you have to solve the multiply and divide. Divide is here. So when you solve this one, 2.15 minus 1, the answer will be 1.15. And here, okay, 1.15. Okay, and then after that, you have to solve go for the next one. The next one is going to be the divide, and after that, multiply. So divide and multiply, you can solve together, but it is better you solve the divide first. So now 9 divided by 3 is a 3 here. Then between this, you have a multiply sign here. Put the multiply sign. Okay, then after that, you have also and here multiply signs. Okay, so you cannot solve this one yet because this is just write it because these are the plus signs. So it is going to be only the last one to solve. So these are after you solve the bracket and divide. Then now, after you solve the bracket and divide, you have to solve the multiply now. So you have to multiply all these 3 things. Okay, 5 multiply 1.15 multiply the 3. Then after that, only you add with the 3. Okay, so I hope this is everybody understand this one. Okay, everybody should get the full marks for this one. Okay, let's go for this one. This is called the modulus, and here this is called the modulus here. This is like a percentage here. This is called the modulus. Okay, so what is a modulus? Modulus is that you have to divide the number, but you have to take the remainder here. Okay, so I hope the remainder, maybe some people doesn't understand a remainder, but maybe you can search it in Arabic and then ask for the remainder there. Okay, so remainder means that whatever left after divide. Okay, so in this example, you already know that 79, okay, divided by 7. Sorry, 79 divided by 7. Okay, so in this case, you cannot take I don't know, the calculator or something like this. But the numbers are going to be very easy one to multiply. Okay, so 7 divided by 9, 79 is there. 7 times 11 will be 77. Okay, because you cannot make it like 7 times 12. No, 7 times 12 will be, it is more than 79. So you cannot divide. So whatever left is only you have left is 2. So you have to stop here. You cannot put it go for. So whatever left here, you have to take for this one. This is multiply. I mean, this is called the modulus. Okay. So please, yes, this is the things. Not to the modulus 11. 11 modulus 2, not 2. The bigger one must be the in from. 11 modulus 2. Yes, not 2 modulus, okay, 11. You must be, the bigger number must be at the beginning, okay, and then the smaller number must be at the end. Okay, so for example, let's say 10 modulus 7, okay, 10 modulus 2, 10 modulus 2. So the result will be 0, because if you divide 10 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2, okay, so 2 times 5 will be 10. Okay, so the result is 10 minus 10 will be the 0 here. So the result will be 0. The answer is a 0. This is the things. Whatever left here, you have to take. You cannot go further. Only so just divide this one and then just take whatever, okay, the left is there. If there is a 0 left, the answer is 0. Okay, you don't have to worry about this. You cannot take the up one. You have to take what is the remainder. So that's why here modulus is there. You have to take the remainder. Yes, you have to take the remainder. Okay, 0. The answer is a 0 and here. Is it okay? Clear, students? Other student? How about the other student? Is it clear? Because see, if you look at this question, easily to get the 2 marks. Okay, one question will be this one, calculating, and then one question will be this one. Is it okay? I hope it is clear enough, right? Inshallah. Okay, so let me go for the further things now, because I don't want to spend more time on here since I have to go for other things. Okay, then this is a 2 marks already. Okay, and then let's go for this one is I will come for here. And here you already, I believe that you already know the what to call this other, how to declare the statements. Okay, so we have only 4 types. Okay, so from here, they are going to put one of the sentence and then they will say, find the error. Which one is the error? Or which one is the mistake? The statement. Which one is the wrong? Okay, sorry. Which one is the wrong mistake? From here, not from here. Similar like this. Okay, so which one is wrong? So now you already know that we have an integer declaration. We have only 2 types, integer and float. Okay, then after that we have a character and string. Character are like this. Characters are only one inside here. And then you have the single quotation. This is a character. Okay, characters must be anyone here. Okay, number or A or B or even the symbol. Symbol is okay also. For example, like this. This is also considered as a character. Okay, anything. If you put 1, even the space is also considered as a character. Okay, so for example, you put here 1 and then you not write anything, only the space and then close. So this is also the character. Okay, so characters are anything 1 inside is called the character. But if you have more than 1, so which means that 2 or 3 or 4. Now here, look at the here, AJ. You cannot write with a single one here. You have to put a double because this is considered as a strange. Strange has to be declared with the double quotation. Okay, so this is one of the things. So as I say that from here, okay, so they are going to ask that 2 marks from here. They will say that which one is wrong. Okay, which one is wrong? Then you have to choose. They are going to give A, B, C, D, and then they will say there will be 1 mistake, and then you have to choose that. Okay, so there are only the things. And here, why they make mistake? Because after you declare the integer, you must have a variable name here. You cannot say integer equal to something like this. No, you have to say integer X or integer A or integer B or integer name. Whatever it is, you have to put. This is called the variable name. Okay, so you have to put here. But and then also here, the one thing mistake is there because 0.562, because of the decimal, it is better you declare as a float because these are the point form. So float X equal to, then this is correct rule. Okay, so and here, what is the mistake here? Please remember after the equal sign, only this value should be after the equal sign. You cannot move only one. You have to move all the things. From this side, move all the things to here. And then this side, move all the things to here. So this is the rules. Okay. The value should not be in this side. The value should be always right side. This is called the right side of the equation. So this is the things. So these are the name given here. The name can be any name. The name can be any name. That's why I told you. And here I put the X. And here the name is name. But and here they give the name this one. Why they like it? They like it this one. This is a correct name here. Because you don't have a space. Okay, you put the underscore here or you write it closely here like this without the space. Because in the programming you cannot put the space. If you want to put the space, you must put this is called the underscore. Okay, so these are the mistake. So when you are getting the question in the exam, if you found like this is wrong because you have a space here. The programming language, the space is not allowed for the statements, declaration of the statement. This space is not allowed. Okay, so you have to choose this one as a wrong. So when you are writing, declaring the variable, you write together like this without space or you put the underscore. So this is one of the rules. Okay, so if there are 4 times are given, check here whether the characters are only 1 or whether the string is 2 because you have a more than this here. Okay, whether it is going to be after they write the integer or float, there is anything or not, because if there is no, this is also wrong, because after you declare the type, you must have a name of the variable, any name. Okay, whether it is a X or like this or whatever it is, there must be anything. Okay, and then after that, the next rule is that whenever you are going to do the calculation, you must have an open and close together. It must be the set. If you open, there must be close. If you open, there must be close. If you open, there must be close. Okay, and then after that, here there is open and then there is no close. So that's why this is the mistake there. Okay, so and here you already know the mistake is here. The space is the mistake. So you can put it this one like this here, or you can write it together like this. And here, see, look at the here, they write it together, rate of interest without the space. So this is a correct and then this is a wrong. Okay, so that's why when you see the statement, okay, similar like this, check these are the important point. Okay, so only these things here. And again, one of the things is that you must write like this. This is divided by 100. The programming language doesn't recognize these things, this divide. Okay, so make sure this divide is not allowed in the programming. So in the question, if you see this one is like this is wrong. Okay, so you have to choose this one is the wrong. Okay, so that's why, so please look for the main point. Okay, so these are the only, not difficult. These are the very simple name one. And then also programming, we have only 4 types of the calculation: plus, minus, multiply, and divide. This is a multiply here. And then this is the divide. Okay, we have a plus and minus also here. We don't have like this kind of sign. Okay, programming language doesn't recognize this kind of sign. Okay, and then also you cannot put the 2 multiply like this. This is also wrong. Okay, so you have only 1 multiply. You cannot put 2 multiply. 1 multiply and then there is no this sign. So this is also wrong. Okay, so these are the very important point, and then this is not difficult. Okay, so these are the, if you understand all this point, then it is very easy to do the programming part. Okay?
Miss?
So these are the things. And here, what is a mistake again here is that you cannot have 2 value. Okay, so you cannot have 2 value. 3 equal to 4, this is totally wrong. So you should have only 1 value when you declare. Okay, you can have many things here, A, B, C, D, E, no problem. But the value should be only 1, because 3 equal to 4 is totally wrong. So you have to delete 1, whether you delete 3 or you delete 4. Okay, there cannot be 2 value. This is wrong. Okay, so and here there is no problem at all, because this plus 1 is, and then after the equal sign, this is no problem at all. But if they write this one, count plus 1 is, and this side, this is wrong, because the plus 1 will be always like this. Okay, and here this is no problem at all. This is the correct one. Okay, and here what is the mistake here? The mistake is that you have here more than 1 but they put only the single quotation. This is not the character. This is a strange here. So that's why you have to put that double quotation. Okay, so this is a mistake. Okay, so these are all the very simple things. So don't worry, they will put it here, the strange or character or something like that if they want to write something. Okay, so whatever it is. Okay, but even if they put some of the question, okay, so when I submit the question after putting the integer or strange, they just delete it. They say that the students do have, okay, students should automatically know. When they check like this, even though they not put the strange here, the students have to understand this is the more than one inside here, so you have to put the two. So this is the like this. And here they say that this is the correct. Students have to know, even though they don't put the sha character. Character is CHA sha. If they don't put the sha in front, then they say that the student have to know because this is the character and then only one single. Okay, then they say that. So that's why they not put it in here in the example. They say that they want to know whether student understand or not without putting the character or something like this. Okay, so and here also the students have to understand this is the strange, but they not put the strange. Okay, because they say that if I put the strange, the student will automatically know this is the double sign. Okay, so again, I will put it, but after I submit the question, okay, for the approval, maybe sometime they delete. They say that, but delete also, don't worry. So as I say that, just check. If there is one, this is a character. If there is a more than one, this is the strange, only that. Okay, so and again, there cannot be more than one. Then we have only this kind of sign. Okay, this divided is not allowed. Okay, so these are the very, very basic things, and then it is not difficult at all. Okay, so I hope this is a clearly understand. Any questions, students? Any questions? Because from here, 2 marks is coming. From here, 2 marks is coming.
Until here, it is everything.
Yes, I hope it is okay,
Yes.
right? So because
Yes.
I don't want to spend more time in here. I want to go for the other things because for the programming, writing programming is 5 marks is coming. So I want to explain more on there, how the question will be. So you already know that these are the things that, okay, this is from the questions there, just now the slides. Which one is wrong? You have to find which one is wrong there. Okay, so now in this midterm, okay, this quiz, I want you to delete this one. Don't study this one. This is not coming. Okay. So one of the thing is that another one is coming. This one, like this, is coming. Okay. So please check here. They say that if A is an integer, you already know we have only two types: integer or float. FLOAT, float. So when you read the question, please try to remember. Okay, when A is the integer or float. Integer means that the answer is after the dot, you have to delete all the dot here. Okay, if the answer, the question is a float, then, okay, you have a decimal point. So that's why, please remember, this is coming in the exam, quiz, midterm, final. Quiz also coming. Okay, so please, everybody should get this one, the marks. You have only two types. Read the question carefully. Okay, so here, if A is an integer, the answer is this one. No increment here. No need to change the first number. No adding. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, you have to delete everything after the dot if integer. Is it okay? Student understand this one, right? Okay. So because see, you already know that these are the 5 marks. Okay, 1 marks, easily question you can get it. Okay, so these are, you already know this is the thing. So the 5 marks is already finished. Okay, so from the other slides, what is the wrong? Okay, you will get 2 marks. This calculation is 1 marks. Okay, another one is the modulus is 1 marks. Okay, and then after that, this one is 1 marks. So 5 marks is finished already. Okay, it is very easy to get this 5 marks, inshallah. Right, students? Is it okay?
Yes, miss. Yes.
Right, I hope you understand this one. Okay, so now let's go for the another 5 marks. Okay, another 5 marks, as you know that it is going to be the program. Okay, so let's go for the another 5 marks. I want to give more emphasis on that 5 marks. Okay, now let's go. For the 5 marks, as you know that it is coming from here. This one, and this slice. This one and this slice. Okay, so there will be 2 programs. Okay, but the two program means that one program will ask you to fix the errors. This is one of the program that I have written here, one of the questions. This is like this, similar to like this. They will say that correct the following C++ code to get the given output. The output is given here. Okay, and then it is a 2 marks question. Okay, so this is the another question called the 2 marks here. Look at the here, the question will be here. Correct the following C++ code. You have to correct. Where is wrong? Which one is the mistake here? Okay, to get the given output. Okay, so now let's see. Where did you get the, this is from the, look at the here. Can you see this? I hope you can see. You can see, right? The output is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is taking from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the program is written wrongly here. Okay, so, wow. Okay. So what is the mistake here? Let's find here now, the mistake. You already know that this first 4 line, these 4 line are the same thing. So I hope they not change this one. This 4 line is the fix, no changing. And then the last 2 line is also no changing. Okay, so these are the, no problem, they are not going to change this line. So only these things is that you have to check. Okay, what is the mistake here? You have to check here.
Comma after end line.
Huh?
Comma after end line. See
Yes.
out, comma.
In
Last.
order to print this one and this one, look at the here. You already declare the integer. Integer type is there. Okay, but the second step is missing here. You have to declare the first number first. The first number is 1 here. I equal to 1. They don't put it here. Look at the here. And this slice, when you look at here, there is here. I equal to 1. They not put this one. I equal to 1. Okay, so before y, you must have a I equal to 1 here. So that's why the mistake here is that you have to put another one. I equal to 1. Is it clear? So these are the things that a small mistake that you have to find. 1 here. I equal to 1. So this is the things that they not put it there. Okay, I will put that another color, red color. Is it okay, students? So that's why you have to, you can come and check here or you try to understand this one. The first thing is that you declare the variable. But after you declare the variable, you have to put which number you are going to start first. The number will be start from the 1 here. Okay, and then next one is the y I less I, see, and here they make another mistake here. You declare as a I, so you cannot declare here, put the A. So this is the again, they trick you. So you have to change here, I. So these are the things. So that's why they want you to fix where is the mistake here. Do you understand, students? So these are the small things that they want the students to know. Because if you declare the I, everything must be I, as I say. If in the exam, if you declare X, everything must be X. This is the things. So that's why you have to find the small error that they put it here. Because they want the students to see where is the mistake this one. So now let's check here. And again, they make another mistake here is that they put the semicolon here. After the while, you cannot put the semicolon here and this while. See, and this while you cannot put the semicolon. So this is again, they make the small trick here. So this semicolon, you have to delete this one. So these are the things. And here you have a semicolon, here semicolon, here no semicolon. Then and here, see, look at the here. Another trick here is the C out. And here they put this sign. This sign is wrong. This sign is for the CN. CN only. This is wrong. See, they make another trick here. C out is less than, 2 less than, not the greater than, not this sign. See, and here, look at the here. C out is this sign. So that's why this small error, please try to figure out. Okay, so they just, so please go line by line, not too long here, just a few line here. Okay, this one and this one, like this, see, like this. So these are the small mistake, okay, but the students have to know. They say, wow, the time is almost finishing, I just want to finish it, these things pass. Okay, so this is the small things. So that's why these are the small things. And here I plus plus. But the thing is here is, oh, here also another things. You have to put the semicolon at the end of the every statement, semicolon, okay? And then another one is also here, I plus plus, you have to put the semicolon here, okay? So this is the things, the small things, okay? And then return 0. So these are the things, finished already. So in the exam,
Miss,
they are not going to put any mistake in this part because this part is fixed. They not put any mistake in this part, return 0 in this one. Only they will make mistake in here, and then you have to find inside here what is the mistake, and then you fix it. Okay, so these mistakes are coming from here. These three program. Maybe in the exam they will put for the for loop or do while loop. So from there, try to change it. And then check the output first also. Output is start from where? And here this output start from 1. But in the exam, maybe this output is start from 10. So if the output is start from 10, you have to start from 10 here. Okay, I hope you understand. From 10 to 15, something like this. If you see the output, 10 to 15, you see the 10 to 15, something like this. Okay, so please check the output. Okay, so
Miss,
because
can
if
I ask,
output is start from 10, yes, students.
Miss, can I ask question? Miss, in this part, how many question will come?
2 questions. This is a 2 marks. Another question is this one, 3 marks. See, this question
Okay.
will come the 3 marks. This question will come the 3 marks. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, so only 2 questions. The
Yes.
first one is a two marks. Is this I told you that these 2 marks will be from here. Maybe now I'm showing example with the while. Maybe in the exam they will put do while or for loop. Okay, so just try to see the concept. Whether you need to put the semicolon here or how is the C out and so on. It is okay, students? Right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, right.
So I hope, please. Okay, so I will upload this one after the class. Okay, and then you have to find the mistake in here. Now I'm showing the example with the while, but the quiz maybe they will put the do while or follow. So please try to go through this. This is very easy to get again. So now also I show you the example. Please check the output. Now the output is start with the 1. So that's why you start with the 1 here. But if the output is start with the 10 or 20, you just change here, 20. And then see what is the end of the output, whether it is a 15 or 20 or 25. And then just put it here, just change it here. Is it okay, students? Right? Easy to get, right? So I want to go for the last one here because I don't have only the 7, I have only 7 minutes left because I don't want to have, after this one is a stop already, I don't want to upload 2 movie, okay? So 2 movie will be complicated. So the last one, as I say that this is a 2 marks for the find the errors. This will be 3 marks. Okay, so as I say that this is using the do while loop. Okay, so you have to write the number between them. They will change the number here, and again here they are going to put the output. See the output and then change here. For example, in the output, okay, they are not going to put this one here, like enter an integer between 1 and 7, please. Maybe they will put the different things. So you change here. Okay, the output is going to be given like this, and then see the output. What is the output written? So based on the outputs, you just change here. Okay, so it is easy, inshallah. Okay, and then check the number here. The number is between 1 and 7 here. So that's why you have a 1 and 7. If the number is changed to another number, so please try to put it there. Okay, so and then also the last output is not going to be thank you very much. Okay, so they will change something here. So if they change something here, and then you change also something here. Is it okay, students? Is it okay?
Yes, Miss. Yes.
Okay, so because my time is also finishing, I don't want to upload 2 movies, then it will be confusing. Okay, so inshallah it will be very easy. Okay, so I want you to be easy, inshallah. So everybody should get the good marks. Okay. Okay, so please go through it. Okay, I will end it here now. So this is question is a 3 marks. The error, fixing the error is 2 marks. Then finish already. We have a 10 marks, inshallah. So tomorrow 9 o'clock, please come it. As I say, I will give 1 hour, but please try to submit the before 1 hour because the quiz is not 1 hour. You can get it, but I give it. Okay. So I will stop it here. Then after that, I will try to upload on the YouTube now because until now, nobody called me to do some work. Okay. Then after that, please within the 30 minutes, I hope by around 30 minutes, it will be, I finish. Okay. So maybe around 10 o'clock, not 10, around 10:15, please come here. I will put the link here. I will say the quiz 1 revision, and then I will put the YouTube link here under this one. Is it okay? So I will log out now. Okay, inshallah, see you tomorrow. Okay, all the best.
Okay, Miss.
Yes.
Kindly, Yahi, when you will change, no, don't change, Yahi, more things, details.
Sorry?
Change more details.
Huh?
When you will change the question,
Don't, yes. The C, changing is that C. I don't want to change at all. Okay, but actually I don't want to change at all. But see, the question has to be submitted to the, for the approval for all the tests to the department. Then the department will ask some teacher to change a little bit because they know that the teacher like to help the students. So the teacher asks very easy questions. So that's why they make a little bit changes. But as I say that the changes will be from here only. Just try to know about the changes. Okay. So good, just try to know. The changes will be in here, the red color here, inside here. So if you see the format, then it will be easy, inshallah. Okay? It will be easy. Inshallah. Okay? Don't worry, inshallah. Just try to understand this. Very simple things, inshallah. Okay? Actually, for me, I want to share only 1 or 2. Okay, but then when I submit, they say that your question is very easy, and then they want to put another 2 or 3 changes, something like this. Okay, but they are only a few. It is calling now. Okay, I will stop it. Okay, I don't know who is calling. Maybe some work. So please try by 10:30. Please give me 1 hour. Okay, sorry. Thank you. Okay, I will end here.